albatross.
Albatross! Albatross!
B for bluebird. Bluebird. B for bluebird. Bluebird. C for crow. C for crow. D for dove. Dove. D for dove. Dove. E for eagle.
Eagle!
E for eagle.
Eagle!
F for flamingo.
Flamingo!
F for flamingo.
Flamingo!
G for goose. Goose. G for goose. Goose. H for hummingbird. Hummingbird. H for hummingbird. Hummingbird.
I for ibis. Ibis. I for ibis.
Ibis!
J for jaybird. Jaybird. J for jaybird. Jaybird.
K for kingfisher. Kingfisher. K for kingfisher. Kingfisher.
L for lark. Lark. L for lark. Lark. M for Macau. Macau. M for Macau. Macau. N for nightingale. Nightingale. Hill. N for nightingale. Nightingale. Hill.
O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for quail. Quail. Q for quail. Quail.
R for robin. R for robin.
S for sparrow. Sparrow. S for sparrow. Sparrow. T for toucan. Toucan. T T for toucan.
Toucan.
U for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. U for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. V for vulture.
Vulture.
V for vulture.
Vulture.
W for woodpecker. W for woodpecker.
X for Xanthus's hummingbird. Xanthus's hummingbird. X for Xanthus's hummingbird. Xanthus's hummingbird.
Y for yellowhammer. Yellowhammer. Y for yellowhammer. Yellowhammer.
Z for zebra finch. Zebra finch. Z for zebra finch. Zebra finch.
Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Anji. Welcome to my classroom. Don't forget to subscribe.